everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, then let me introduce myself. I am Shuparna and in my channel I share all about beauty, skincare and mostly makeup. So today I will be reviewing the Nykaa Skin Genius all-in-one BB cream and let's get started. So I have ordered this cream from their website and it took me 349 rupees, which is quite okay. The Nykaa Skin Genius all-in-one BB cream comes in a pink soft cardboard packaging like this, and on the front the name of the brand and the product name is written, and then it comes out like this. It's a lightweighted, so you can carry it anywhere you want. By now everyone is familiar with the BB cream. A lot of brands have introduced their BB cream either in 2 or 3 shades, or sometimes in only 1 shade is available there. But Nykaa Skin Genius BB cream has 5 shades, and I took the 04 Spice Cinnamon. So this is there, and let me swatch it for it. It's quite sturdy. It's not like liquidy, just like the Nykaa foundations. And let me, while it feels really creamy, but it is slightly orangish on my skin. On the tube the quantity of the product is written, and that is 30 grams, which is quite enough. So let me try it on my face. It is quite messy, you can see. So a lot of products are spilling out from the tube, and the spilled product is enough to cover my whole face. I'm taking this directly on my face. Mostly BB creams are used for a daily purpose, and I like to blend it with my bare fingers. Oh my god, my face is feeling so sticky right now. But it makes my skin look well nourished. One more thing, it's just been 5 or 6 minutes. I have applied the cream on my face. Already makes me look greasy. So I guess you have to set it with a powder. I'll complete my whole makeup quickly, so let's see how this cream works. Okay, so I have completed my whole makeup, and now this is how the cream looks on me. I think it is darkening really fast. You can clearly see the difference. So I think I should have bought the previous shade, which is 03, and it will oxidize to come to my natural skin, I guess. So here's the final verdict from my end. This Nykaa Skin Genius BB all-in-one cream with SPF 30 has few pros and cons. It gives a lot of product. 30 grams is, I guess, enough for everyone. Most of the cases there are only 2 or 3 shades for BB creams, whereas it has 5 shades, so it is easier for you to choose from their shade range. Coverage is pretty much good. I had some scars over there, and it is now looks slightly fainted. Actually not slightly, it's almost invisible. If I go like this only you can see, and it is travel friendly. The container is really handy, and just make sure you keep it like this because it will spills a lot. And obviously budget friendly, 349 is not a huge amount, and it comes with SPF 30, so it gives you enough sun protection. As you can see, it gives a natural looking finish and makes my skin really moisturized. These are all the pros part. And now coming to the cons, it dries really quick. Like, you have to use your both hands if you have put your cream on both cheeks. Otherwise, if you come from this side to this side, it will dry quickly. And if your skin is oily like me, then make sure you use a good powder or compact to set your whole face out. Otherwise your face will look oily, greasy. The last disadvantage of this cream is it oxidizes really quick. Like within 5 minutes you can see the variation on your skin. So I will suggest to buy a shade lighter than your actual skin, so that when it oxidizes, it gives the natural looking finish. Ask me whether I will buy this or not. I think I will not buy this one because I am quite comfortable with the Pond's BB cream. And if you want me to review this Pond's BB cream, let me know in the comment section. And if you like this whole video, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more and more. Thank you. See you soon.